Designing a bedroom with a dressing room is a wise decision that doesn't necessarily demand abundant space. Even with limited area, you can implement ingenious cabinetry, either custom-made or store-bought, to optimize storage and achieve an elegant and organized appearance for your bedroom with dressing spaces and walk-in closet ideas. There are several possibilities for creating a bedroom with a dressing area. One option is to divide an existing space by using partitions. Another approach is to utilize a small unused room for this purpose. Before creating a bedroom with a dressing room, keep the following points in mind. 1. Assess the available space and choose a suitable dressing area design accordingly. 2. Plan in advance the amount of storage needed for your belongings. 3. Determine the ideal location for your dressing table, clothing storage, and make sure it doesn't obstruct movement in the room. Also, ensure it is conveniently close to your bathroom. There are various designs for bedrooms with dressing rooms. Here is a list of them. 1. A bedroom with an open dressing room that includes wardrobes. 2. A room where the bathroom and dressing room are hidden at the foot of the bed. 3. A room with a closed bathroom and an open dressing room. 4. A bedroom with an open dressing room. 5. The dressing room is located behind a white slatted headboard. 6. A small bedroom with a dressing room positioned behind the headboard. 7. A spacious room with a dressing room. 8. A room with a partially open dressing room.